Okay, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon po, ma'am.
Good afternoon,
Class,
ma'am.
Good afternoon po.
how are you, class?
Feeling good po, ma'am.
Okay, it was
Okay
nice
lang
to
po.
hear. So I'm Lisa Torres, your free instructor for today. So before we start our lesson, let us have a short prayer. Mr. De La Cruz, kindly lead the prayer.
Yes po, ma'am. Okay. Father God, come be with us today. Fill our heart with joy. Fill our minds with learning. Fill our classrooms with peace. Fill our lessons with our
Okay, thank you, Mr. De La Cruz. So before we start, here are our classroom rules. First is be on time. Second is sit in one spot during class. Act like you're at school. Listen. Keep yourself or microphone muted. Turn on your camera or your video. Raise your hand to talk. And last is have fun and do your best. Is that clear, class? Is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes po.
Okay, for your attendance, please open your camera and I will take a screenshot. So this would be the base of your attendance for today. Okay. Mr. Cedric, Mr. Jason, please open your camera. Okay, in 1, 2, 3, smile. Again, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, very good, class. I'm glad that no one is absent for today. So before we start, I have a pretest about nutrition for adolescents. Okay, class, get a piece of paper and a ball pen. And after this, take a picture of your answer and send it to our group chat. Is that clear, class?
Yes po.
Okay, so now before we proceed to our topic, let us have a simple game. But first, we have a pretest and write the letter of the correct answer. So class, get a piece of paper and ball pen. Are you ready?
Yes po. Yes, ma'am.
Po.
Okay, class, after this discussion, send it to our group chat, okay? Okay, for question number 1. So your classmate is anorexic. How are you going to help him or her? A, encourage her to skip lunch. B, accompany her to the gym every day. C, discourage her from going to cafeteria. D, accompany her to a healthcare provider. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's proceed to the question number 2. Okay, how are you going to prevent iron deficiency anemia? A, eat seaweeds. B, eat saltwater fish. C, eat iodized salt. D, eat dark green leafy vegetable. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, proceed to our next question. What mineral from the body is lost excessive perspiration during strenuous physical activities? A, calcium. B, potassium. C, water. D, zinc. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next question. Why do adolescents require more energy and nutrients? A. They need to achieve full growth potential. B. They engage in more active physical activities. C. Their bodies are preparing for pubertal changes. Or D. Their bodies are undergoing several physical changes. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next. You were asked by your mother to go to the market and buy some food for lunch. Since she's sick and can cook for food, what will you buy? A. Longanisa, fried rice, egg and coffee. B. Fried chicken, rice, lychee and juice. C. Sinigang, rice, pinakbet and dried banana. Or D. Barbecue, rice, watermelon and soda. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, which micronutrient deficiency is caused by low hemoglobin? A. Binge eating. B. Iodine deficiency disorder. C. Iron deficiency anemia. Or D. Vitamin A deficiency. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next. How much serving of vegetables does an adolescent need? A. 1 serving, B. 3 serving, C. 5 serving, or D. 7 serving. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next, how many eggs should an adolescent have per day? A. 1 piece, B. 4 pieces, C. 3 pieces, or D. 2 pieces. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next. To stay at a healthy weight, one should choose a healthful diet with A. Higher calories from sweets, B. Fibers from fruits and vegetables, C. Fats and oils from processed foods, or D. Caffeine from chocolate and coffee. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And last, which is not helpful to do? A. Eat fruits and vegetables daily. B. Limit the intake of sugar and salt. C. Increase consumption of fatty foods. Or D. Eat breakfast high in fiber like oatmeal. Okay, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, class, are you done?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay, so now before we proceed our main topic for today, let us have a game. And the game called Guess the Teacher. So class, are you familiar in this game?
Yes po.
Okay, I have here a picture of foods and I want you to identify it. If what kind of nutrition we can get from these foods. Okay, if you want to answer, unmute your microphone and I call your name. Is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Who wants to try to answer? What nutrients can get in that food?
Ma'am.
Yes, Ma'am Hazel.
Calcium po.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, very good, Ma'am Hazel. Next. Who wants to answer?
Ma'am, ako po.
Yes, Mr. Cedric.
Iron po, ma'am.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, iron. Very good, Cedric. Next. Who wants to answer?
Ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Jason.
Protein po.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, protein. Next. Who wants to answer?
Ma'am, ako po ulit.
Yes, Mr. Cedric.
Carbohydrates po.
Okay, very good, Mr. Cedric. And last, Who wants to try?
Ma'am, ako
Ma'am,
po.
ako na po.
Yes, Miss Prialde.
Fiber po.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Okay, very good, Miss Prialde. Good job, class. So let's proceed to our topic for today, the importance of nutrition among adolescents. So first is calcium. So class, what is your idea? What is calcium?
Permission to speak po, ma'am.
Okay, proceed.
Ma'am, yung calcium po is isa po yung nutrients na nakakapagpalakas ng ating mga buto para po malabanan din po yung mga sakit katulad ng osteoporosis po, yung mga regarding po sa buto na sakit po.
Okay, very good. So calcium is a mineral that is found in foods, specifically dairy and stored in bones and teeth in our body. So it is essential for growth and development of children and adolescents as it maintains strong bones and teeth while also assisting in muscle contraction, nerve stimulations, and regulating blood pressure. So tama si Mr. Jason kanina. So next, so what is your idea? What is iron? Yes, Miss Tabios.
Mom, the iron is food comes from the two sources, animal and plants. Iron from animal sources is known as hemi-iron, and it's found in meat and fish. Iron from plants is known as non-heme iron, and it's found in certain vegetables and in iron-fortified foods such as breakfast.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Tabias. So iron is a mineral and its main purpose is to carry oxygen in the hemoglobin of red blood cells throughout the body. So cells can produce energy. Iron also helps remove carbon dioxide. Okay, next, what is your idea about what is protein?
Ma'am, ako po.
Yes, Ms. Rialde.
Protein is that is made up of many amino acids joined together. It's a necessary part of the diet and is essential for normal cell structure and function.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Rialde. So protein also support a vast number of processes in the body like energy production, the production of hormones, enzymes, and nervous system chemicals. So also protein is particularly important for adolescents. Need protein to maintain existing lean body mass and to add additional lean body mass during the adolescent growth. Next, who wants to answer or give an idea what is carbohydrates?
Ma'am, ako na lang po.
Okay, proceed.
Carbohydrates are the sugars, starches, and fibers found in fruits, grains, vegetables, and milk products.
Okay, thank you. So carbohydrates provide the body with glucose, which is converted to energy used to support body function and physical activity. And last, wants to give an idea what is fiber?
Ma'am, Tabias po.
Yes, Ms. Tabios, proceed.
Ma'am, fiber, also known as roughage, is the part of plant-based food, grains, fruit, vegetables, nuts, and beans that the body can't break down.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Tabios. So fiber helps prevent or relieve constipation, increases feelings of fullness, which may help with weight control, lowers cholesterol, help prevent heart disease and diabetes. Okay, now, is there any question or clarification in our topic for today?
None, ma'am.
Okay, so
None
what you
po.
have learned from our lesson for today? So who wants to answer? What you have learned from our lesson for today?
Ma'am, ako po.
Yes, Mr. Jason.
Ang natutunan ko po ngayon sa ating pinag-aralan is yung mga nutrients na nakakatulong po para mas maging healthy ang ating katawan, like hydrates na kailangan ng ating katawan na nagsisilbing fluid tawag dito, electricity po para mas magawa po natin ang maayos natin magagawin, and also the fiber po.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Jason. So very good, class. So this is important to all of you to know the nutrition that a person needs during adolescence. So like you, class, you're so kabilang na kayo sa adolescence. Yeah, it is important to know what nutrients you need. Okay, so let's proceed for your performance task. So make a poster about the importance of nutrition among adolescents. So here are the rubrics for your performance. So your performance will pass on maybe next meeting. So okay, let's proceed to the question and answer portion. So for question number 1, give the 5 importance nutrition among adolescents. Who wants to answer?
Ma'am Tabios.
Yes, Ms. Tabios.
Ma'am, calcium, iron, protein, carbohydrates, and fiber.
Okay, very good, Ms. Tabios. Next, what is the importance of understanding the nutritional needs during adolescent life? So for question number 2, who wants to answer?
Ma'am, ako na lang po.
Yes, Ms. Jesper. Proceed.
Teens are becoming more independent and making many food decisions on their own. Many teens have a growth spurt and increase in appetite and need healthy foods to meet their needs.
Thank you, Ms. Jesper. So it seems you really understand our topic for today. So after this class, we have a quiz, and your quiz will be sent in our GC. I will give you 1 hour to answer. Is that clear, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, for your assignment, here the direction. List down all the foods and drinks you had for breakfast, snack, lunch, and dinner in a previous day. Indicate where you ate your meal in the column for source. Study your list. Check if you follow the nutritional needs for an adolescent like you. Okay, note, you can just limit on the foods eaten and the number of serving. Okay, class, do you have a question about our lesson for today?
None,
po.
ma'am.
And your assignment will be passed tomorrow until 11:59 p.m. Okay? If you don't have any question or clarification about our topic, so this will be the end of our discussion. I hope
Okay,
you will
ma'am.
learn and gain knowledge in our lesson for today. So thank you, class. Keep safe and God bless.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you po.
Bye, ma'am.